Wherever you look in the U.S., the coronavirus pandemic is surging. But the virus responsible for the COVID-19 disease is caught up in a political drama. Whether President Donald Trump will allow cooperation between his administration and the team for Joe Biden, the projected winner of the 2020 presidential race, who would be inaugurated on January 20th. So far, Trump, who continues to allege without evidence that there was widespread voter fraud, has not allowed a transition to a new government to begin. Biden team members say that is endangering the country amid the pandemic's surge.
It is in the nation's interest that the transition team get the threat assessments that the team knows about, understand the vaccine distribution plans. We need to know where the stockpiles are, what the status is of masks and gloves. There's a lot of information that needs to be transmitted. It can't wait to the last minute.
President Trump hasn't attended a virus task force meeting in 5 months, according to the Washington Post. But the president spoke last week about the timeline of a vaccine for the COVID-19 disease.
And this process is starting right away. Millions of doses will soon be going out the door. They're all ready, waiting for that final approval.
Admiral Brett Giroir, member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force, says that the Trump administration's efforts to combat the infection are shared widely with the public, including members of Biden's team.
I want to be as transparent as possible with everybody. This is not a political issue. This is an issue of public health and saving American lives. And I think there's nothing more important than that.
John Bolton, a former Trump national security advisor, called on Republican leaders to push the White House to share information about the virus and national security with the incoming Biden administration.
Again, I just think it requires Republicans to explain that in the nature of things, we need a transition, and we should proceed with it as soon as we can.
According to the Johns Hopkins University, the U.S. currently has nearly 11 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and close to 246,000 deaths. The U.S. leads the world in the number of cases. Michelle Quinn, VOA News.